Hey guys, today I'm going to use these two nice little molds and I'm going to do Marabu Inks in one, kind of a rainbow. I don't have enough colors really, but I'm going to try. And then the rainbow colors in the other one with the Pinata Inks with Pearl. And I am going to add the white to the Pearl with the Pinata Inks because those inks are so heavy, but I'm not going to do that with the Marabu because they're pastel-y looking. So starting with the Marabu, I'm going to do the red on the top. It's Bordeaux. I'm going to do 2 layers of them all, okay? And I have to use the yellow Pinata because I don't have any Marabu yellow. Oh my God. So I'm going to try to do 4. I might have broken that toothpick off in there, I don't know. In the last video that I did. Let's see. Okay. And back to Pearl. Oh, these are so pretty. I just have a thing about Pearl. Now let's do the second one with the Pinata Inks. Those were Marabu. I'm going to add the white now to this, just this one. So I make sure the Pearl gets gets down through the heavy inks, okay? That's why. Boy, these are different. I hope I haven't put too much white. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. Let's see. Boy, those are pretty, aren't they? Oh, man. Okay, guys, it's time for the unmolding of these rainbow pieces I did yesterday. The backs are so pretty. I don't know if you can see the pearl on this, but maybe the backs are better than the front. I don't know. These pieces would be used for home decor, like on a mantle. You know, put them on one of these. Or on tops of your kitchen cabinets, or on your dressers. They could even be used as a trinket tray. They're small, but maybe for little rings and stuff. And if you like this video, please tell me, like it, and subscribe. Okay, let me unmold these. Oh, let me do this one first. I love this. Okay, here's what it looks like. Can you see it? Boy, that feels like it's, I have not taken, I swear I have not taken this out of the mold. Ooh, oh my, look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Here's the other one. Oh, so pretty. What do you think? I think I like this one better. It's pretty, but, and there is pearl in here. You can see it. It's up here is beautiful. But the pinata wins almost every time. So, anyway. Okay, guys. I'm off to work on my other video I'm working on. Alright? Have a nice day.